Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, like, subscribe, and share the video. Once again, I am new to the channel. I always say once again, y'all don't laugh at me. But I wanted to come on here tonight. And I got some fufu. I have Egusi soup. And we got jollof rice right here. The husband treated me for some African food. Lord, we thank you for the food that we're about to receive. May the food be nourishment to the body, bless the provider and the preparer. Amen. So, I know that you're supposed to eat this with your hand, but I'm not really into getting my hands messy. But today, I am. Just because it looks good. It does something to the mind. First bite. Y'all want some? You want some more meat?
No, I'm good.
I love it, but I forget how spicy it is.
Perfect.
Spicy. I didn't realize how much crab meat was in this rice. Got my African look going today because I am the queen. Okay. I don't know. I think this is, she said they don't serve pork. They do cow foot, fish, and chicken. If the Africans see us eating this food with a fork, they'll be mad. It's offensive. It's just like if you go to a Filipino family house for dinner and they feed you. If you say no or turn the food down, they get offended. There's a whole lot of more rice too if you want some more. And so how was everybody Thanksgiving? Mine was okay. Very quiet. But I made a lot of food. And I intended to do the video, but I was tired. But we had a lot. I made a lot of food. And there's just 2 people in the house. Y'all got y'all Black Friday shopping out the way. I heard that it was not a lot of good deals. But it ain't no such thing as Black Friday in my world. Just another way to spend some unnecessary money on Christmas. Right around the corner. I get it. That's the whole reason for Black Friday, but it ain't like it used to be. And also, the fufu, you're supposed to not chew it. I don't get into all these different ways to eat. As long as I'm chewing it and eating it or getting it consumed in my body, that's all I care about. You sure you don't want no more meat?
No, I'm good.
Ooh, it's spicy. I remember when we first started eating this, I wasn't too crazy about the fufu, but now I'm eating it. Yeah, yeah. spicy. I wouldn't survive in a hot chip challenge. Oh. It's too spicy for you, Rock. Ooh. Gonna tear him up. It's too strong for his little body. And that stuff that the juice from the turkey and stuff like that, you don't gotta get it to him because there's kind of like a lot of grease in it. It turned white at the top. Real crab meat. Oh no. It's imitation. Still trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, and I need some help. I'm starting to get a little discouraged, but I'm not gonna give up. One of these days, I believe I'll fly. It'll take off out of nowhere. I think I'm good for right now. That shit is spicy. Damn, I wish I had another 5. Not a winner. About 2 of the scratch-offs. I like to play the scratch-offs. I think the video is over as far as the fufu go and the egusi soup. I'll try to eat some later, but I did want to come on here and at least give about 5 or 6 minutes for this video. And I'm not editing because I'm not savvy with editing, but I am gonna post this video raw and uncut the way it is. That's all I wanted. I hope everybody have a good night. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Good night.